We begin by cleansing the face using an appropriate CNC cleanser corresponding to the skin type and apply it with circular movements. The second step is to apply microsilver BG peeling that has an enzymatic effect. After approximately 10 minutes, remove it with a moist compress. After that, use an appropriate CNC tonic according to the skin type. Mesoperation is divided into 4 treatment steps, always starting with H. defense liposome, independent of the result to be achieved. The lecithin contained causes an improved permeability of the cell membrane, thus allowing optimum absorption of the active substances that follow. H. defense liposome is applied from the top to the bottom, using the roll-on with circular movements. Then it is worked in with a golden roller. After that, the appropriate H. defense active ingredient concentrate, depending on the skin problem, is applied with circular movements using the roll-on. Then the H. defense active ingredient concentrate is again worked in using the golden roller. Apply the hydrogel face and neck mask according to the skin type or a collagen tissue mask and remove it after the given absorption time. Conclude the treatment by applying an appropriate CNC eye and day care product according to the skin type.